Hey everyone, we're just going to quickly browse through the infotainment and see everything that it provides. For instance, right here is the navigation, okay? So with this one right here, you can actually zoom in on your destination to actually make it a little bit clearer for you. You can read the street names and kind of have a nicer reference point, okay? But what's really cool about this is you can actually take your navigation and put it in front of you as well, okay? The only thing you would have to do is swipe on your pages, the silver button right here. You go to navigation because you can change the views, and then all you would have to do is go to the navigation screen right here. Alright, you hit OK, you hit the arrow that points up, then you hit OK again, and it takes the navigation from there and puts it right in front of you. And if you hit OK again, it'll actually take your instrument clusters and make it smaller, and that way you can see the navigation nice and clear.
Okay. And now go ahead and show us a few other things on the other screen over here. You can't have nav on both screens though.
You can't have it on both.
Okay. All right. Show us over here like settings, radio, how to adjust treble, bass, all that kind of stuff.
Okay. So you have three different settings on your radio. Okay. You have satellite, FM, and AM. Okay, that's pretty common, but it is two different ways that you can get to these screens. Okay, if you wanted to go to satellite, you can just hit the band right here, and you'll see that you can go from XM, FM, and AM, or you can actually hit radio, and you can change it from FM to AM to satellite, just like that. Okay, and you can actually set your favorite channels as well.
Cool.
All right, so you can actually select your favorite channels by simply holding down on the presets. Okay, so my favorite channel is actually 42, which is the joint. You know, I like a little bit of reggae. There you go. Okay, you can also adjust the settings on here for the sound as well. The easiest way to do so is to hit the menu button. Okay, and then you would go to sound. All right, and then you do have subwoofers in there. If you want the factory setting, you can just hit reset. If you want to go back, you can actually adjust the balancer on there. Like if the little baby is sleeping but you still want to listen to some music, you can have the speaker only playing on your side of the car. And if you wanted to reset it, you just hit that circle right there and you're all set.
Okay, what else we got in there, Cornelius?
Alright, so with this car button right here, you can actually go to settings, and you can actually adjust your ambient lighting right here. And you can see all of the ambient lighting from this screen right here, okay? You can actually adjust the brightness to it if you're riding around at nighttime and it's a little bit too bright for your eyes. And then you can also adjust the footwells as well. And also you have ambient lighting going along the doors as well.
So you can adjust them separately.
Yeah,
you don't have. They don't all have to be dimmed down. Oh, that's interesting. Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay, so that's ambient lighting. Let's see. And maybe just browse through some of those other things, that personalizations and.
Okay, so you can personalize this car. So you have a few different guests that you have a few different drivers that you can actually set up. You can actually set it up with your key fob, or you can set it up right here. This right here will adjust your favorite stations. It'll adjust your seating position, and it'll also adjust your mirrors as well. Okay. So whenever you set it up with your key fob, you can actually personalize it just like that. You do have a few different assist systems that you can actually toggle as well. You have your front assist right here, which it works in conjunction with your autonomous emergency braking. You have your lane assist system on there as well. You can toggle that as well. You have your blind spot monitors. Here, this right here will allow you to figure out how long you need to wait before you have an oil change coming up. You can either go by the mileage or you can go by the days. And this right here is your inspection as well. I don't know.
Hold on, but can you schedule service appointments through the actual navigation system in the car?
No, you can't.
Or, no, okay, you can't do that, but it's going to let you know when the intervals are to get your oil changes and services done.
Absolutely, and this is specific to your VIN number.
Okay, good to go. That's interesting. All right, I think that's good for today. I think we're good.